points, but it was not to be, as the TS Galaxy had the final say in this game. Now I am joined by the Betway Premiership man of the match, and it is his first accolade for the season, and that is Simphiwe Silepe. Top performance namhlanje. Congratulations.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu namhlanje bekuthi ngisebenzise opportunity abanginike yona and ngizamile nami ngathola man of the match namhlanje. Ngiyabonga kakhulu i-technical team e-Orlando Pirates nge-opportunity abanginike yona.
The position ewidlalayo iposition edlalwa ama-player amakhulu kakhulu when you look at Orlando Pirates. Kuze kanjani ukuthi uzithole ukuthi manje now you are getting more of an opportunity and ukhonile namhlanje ubonisa ukuthi uyakhona?
I think uzimisela from ku-TDC vele. Yeah, ngithemba abangibiza la vele yabo ngaba ready because manje kunama-injury bekumele vele ngifithe fast ngijoyele fast. Yeah.
Asikhulume ngalokho as well ukuthi from DDC ukhona ukuthi ku-first team uthole ithuba lakho and usebenzise.
Eish. Yeah, opportunity enkulu for mina and ngiyajabula ukuthi iyasebenza namhlanje kancane kancane.
And just more on a personal note, this is the first game post the coach Jose Rivero's stint. Ifile kanjani? Did it feel different?
Aish. Yeah, yona isithintile because bese sijwayele yena kakhulu yabo. Ucoach vele ucoach vele othulile ophansi mara kumele sijwayele no coach omusha because asazi ubani ozana.
Mbonga kakhulu, congratulations.
Silepe,
Silepe, of course, getting